Listen, talk to a second. Just relax. Relax. Listen, relax. Don't do anything stupid, all right? Okay. Just take a deep breath.
On the night of January 25th, 2024, a routine night watch turned into a high-stakes pursuit. Police were dispatched to a reported carjacking, with units quickly moving to intercept the stolen vehicle. The chase was brief. Just after 2:11 a.m., near what appears to be an intersection, the suspect's vehicle violently crashed. Officers immediately moved in, finding the vehicle heavily damaged and smoking.
Do it! Stop!
I copy, Bill. I've been in the back seat.
He tried coming up the back. He went back in. I don't think he ran or anything. Hands up!
Hands up and stop.
No. Hands up. Listen, talk to a second. Just relax.
From the wreckage, an unidentified male driver emerged.
Don't do anything stupid, all right? Okay. Just take a deep breath. We got plenty. Sorry?
Ask him if he's the only one in there. Ask him if he's the only one in there.
Anybody else in there? Is she hurt?
All right.
All right. We are gonna get you out of here in just a second. Bro, you got like 20 cops here. We're not on your time right now, okay? We got like 20 cops here. We got to get you out of here. We're gonna get you in custody, okay? Yep. Because you're already out of the back, we're gonna have you climb out the back in just a second.
Don't go back in the car.
Hey!
Do not go back in the
car. Don't go back in the car. Stay right there.
When you guys are ready, there's a second in the front seat passenger seat. You good, Buzz? We're going to call him out. Show your hands, man. You good? Keep your hands up. If you run, I will send this dog. He will bite you. You understand? Come out of the car. Comply with these officers are telling you.
All right, sir. You are under arrest. Okay. Keep your hands up.
It's time to come out.
Keep your hands up. Get out of the vehicle.
Up!
Get out of the vehicle. Get out of the vehicle. Step down from the back of the vehicle.
Down.
Step down from the back of the vehicle now. You are under arrest. Step back from the vehicle now, sir.
We will grab
We
you.
will get all that stuff.
Down.
This isn't the time.
Down.
Then comply and step out here.
Yep.
Sir, step back from the car. Then comply with us and step back. We'll grab all those things. Get off the back of the car.
Richfield, you guys got a shield?
No, I'm sorry.
Hey.
No.
Step down from the back of the car.
If you go back in the car, you're going to get shot by the 40.
6-4, time to 1.
Step back from the car.
I'm just driving.
Stop there. Lift your shirt up. Turn around in a circle, 360 degrees. Stop. Face away from us. Step backwards to the sound of my voice. Keep going. Hey,
If you run, I will send this dog.
step backwards.
You're going to get shot with the 40. Walk back towards us now. Walk backwards towards us now, or you're going to get shot with the 40. With the 40 millimeter, less lethal. Walk backwards towards us now. Keep coming.
He was immediately met with multiple warnings to surrender. A tense standoff ensued, with the man initially refusing to comply. After several tense moments, he finally gave up and was taken into custody.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Get down on your left knee.
While officers processed the scene, a new development arose from the damaged car.
Passengers, keep your hands up.
We'll get him.
You got one more in the car?
Yep.
All right.
We'll just put it here for now. He's gonna give commands.
All right.
There's more for him.
We're
We're gonna get you out in 1 minute, okay? We just gotta get him put away.
More female in the car.
Just one more.
Yes.
That works. Can you see her at all over there?
I can see one of her hands.
Oh,
We can see
there's
both
both.
hands.
Both hands are clear.
Keep them right there, okay? Kiera, can you crawl to the back window? I don't know, is there? Can your door open? Go ahead.
Step out with your hands up. Step to your right. To your left.
A second person, a female, was found inside the vehicle.
Face away from us. Yep. Step to your right. Up on the curb. Step one more. Stop. What's that?
Do we have a hand back here?
Okay. Step backwards to the sound of my voice. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep going. 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 Couple more steps. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Down to your knees. Put your hands back behind your back. Don't move. The only other one in the car there, gentlemen. Yep. Hey, Benal. Yep. Once they get her into custody, we'll take one more over here. One of you guys over here. Benal, you, me, and Richfield guys gonna go clear the car, okay? We're just gonna clear the car here once I get it back there.
Can I get my phone, you guys?
Okay, hold on. Still.
No, because I'm going to obviously need to call somebody.
Benal, whenever you're ready. Count.
I know I'm not supposed to be asking all that shit, but like I'm freezing.
Breathing?
Yes.
Dude, I hate that you're talking about 9-8 and I know. I was trying to go to the left. What happens with like what the next year?
What's your name? First
Here.
name? How do you spell it?
K-I-E-R-A.
E-R-A. Do
Yep, last name James, J-A-M-E-S.
you have a middle name?
Elizabeth, with a Z.
Birthday?
2/17/1995.
2/17? 95?
Yes.
What's the address for you?
9200 17th Avenue South. Bloomington.
Bloomington. Is that a house or apartment?
House.
What's a good phone number for you?
708
708
232
232
8883.
One more time.
8883.
8883.
Yes.
Do you need an ambulance or something like that? Something like that? Where are you living at?
I live in Bloomington.
Where in Bloomington? I mean, Bloomington's a big place, right?
I live right on Old Shakopee Road across the street from the BP. Like the 1917.
Okay, so East Bloomington?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Whose car is this?
I have no idea.
You have no idea?
No, I just got picked up.
What's his name?
That's Dulu. That's my.
What's his what's
I don't know his real name. That's my baby dad's cousin. I just know him by Dulu.
Okay. Okay.
I have no idea.
What was he saying during when we were chasing? What was he saying?
But he just had to go. I don't. That was that. Like he literally before we left my house and we were on our way to Holiday. and we literally had just left my house, and we saw you guys, and we knew we had the out headlight, and that was it. And he just said I have to go, so I had to go with him. I was like, you could let me out. He did.
Okay, talk to that officer right over there. We'll get you home, okay?
Okay.
She claimed to be an innocent passenger, stating she was picked up by her baby dad's cousin and didn't even know his full name.
Tell us what kind of stuff you have in there.
Okay, okay. The only thing I really need is my phone and my phone.
What's your phone look like, dude?
It's a black phone.
Black
now.
phone.
It's
Black phone? Is
a
it in
black
the front
phone. It's somewhere now. When I was calling it, it was ringing.
As officers dealt with the male suspect, his attention was solely on one thing: his phone.
Shocked in 90 second no figures.
Yeah.
I think, should we wait for
Can I get my phone out of there?
Yeah, we'll get it.
Yeah.
Okay.
As long as there's nothing illegal in the car, you're all good, we'll get you out of here.
Okay. Okay.
And then once we're all good, we'll get you out of the custody.
Okay. Cool. Thanks.
Down.
Four, please. Thank you. Kennedy of flatbed, heavy damage.
Do you want me to wait until we get your phone?
Please, officer. Please.
How much money you got in there?
It's to get me on the phone and stuff. And then if I have to, like when I get out, I can use my cash app and stuff. You know what I'm saying?
I got you.
Yeah, so I can. Yeah, that's all, officer.
Okay, I'll see if we can find it quick.
Did you find my phone, officer?
What's the phone look like?
It's a black phone.
What's on the front of it?
Okay, look, if you get this other phone, could you use that phone to call it? It'll ring when you can hear it.
Dude, we're not going to leave without your phone, but I'm not going to look through the whole car for it.
No, okay, but that's what I'm
I'm
saying.
going to do that right now anyways, all right?
Okay, could you look up my name? Could you look and see if I got a warrant right quick?
Yeah.
No, I just want to see.
Oh, that's cool. Is that why you were running?
No.
What's your first name, James?
Yep. Last name Purifoy. Purifoy.
Purifoy?
Yep.
Second degree wreck end safe, vehicle fleet, I don't know. Resisting. Nothing worse than this.
It's the same thing, pretty much.
Yeah. Alright, let's try to get out of here.
So you can't get my phone, officer?
Well, I looked in there and I saw one phone and it wasn't the black phone. I think that's her phone. But officers here know that you are looking for a black phone in that car.
Could you
Route to HQ.
could you stop and look for it?
Those guys are gonna look for it.
I mean, like, could you call it for me? Just call it. You can call it from my phone. You ain't even gotta stop. You can just call it. You hear me?
Dude, they're gonna look through everything in that car. Okay? Is it like, is there like cash?
It's cash on my cash out.
Okay, so it's actual physical.
On the bank,
cash.
on my phone. No, it's on my phone.
Oh, it's your phone has the cash. on it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Alright, well, do you know the code to get in the phone?
Yeah.
Okay. Just gotta be able to like verify it's yours, you know what I mean?
And I can call it, that's all. Yeah, he's gonna need help. No, I'm just laying. I'm just laying.
Some people bring in here, you know. So I know you're already searched, but I got search again because I'm bringing you to jail.
Both individuals were ultimately apprehended and taken into custody. The driver and his passenger now face a litany of charges, including felony carjacking, reckless driving, and potentially evading arrest. The investigation is ongoing to determine the full extent of their involvement.